Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. We have a special little one in our life who fell in love with Bruce the bear. I had never heard about him before, but this story is really cute about Bruce's big storm. What's nice is it has a cover jacket on it, but yet at the same time, it's a hardcover book, so it's gonna hold up for quite a long time. So the story is really cute. It's about a grumpy bear named Bruce, and he pretty much does not like his neighbors. But a big storm comes, and then they all have to pile in his house for safety. And of course, lots of things go on, and then actually the house gets crashed on. And in the very end of the story, because his house was a wreck, even though he was grouchy and didn't like his neighbors, all his neighbors chipped in to be able to help rebuild his house. And so he learns to like his neighbors and get along with them. So it's a cute little story. So if you're looking for a cute story for a little one in your life, I highly recommend it. The little one in our life absolutely loves it. And that is just my point of view.